Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Feast your eyes on this 2021 Ford F450 with 39,885 miles. What an absolutely stunning ride. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 6.7-liter V8 diesel engine, a Royal Truck Body Contractor's flatbed, a forklift loadable materials rack with ratchet straps, a receiver hitch, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.